AccuCold Refrigerator Model FF7CSS Repairs. AccuCold FF7BI Series 24-inch freestanding counter-depth compact refrigerator with 5.5 cubic feet capacity, 3-wire shelves, right hinge. Automatic defrost, CFC-free, commercially approved, adjusts. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, AccuCold manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of AccuCold appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local Appliance Helper can help. Refrigerator is leaking. The soft rubber-like door gaskets may leak water at the bottom if they do not properly seal. First, clean the seal and the section of the refrigerator that the seal touches with warm, soapy water. If that does not work, replace the door gaskets entirely. Check to see if the defrost drain that leads out of the freezer is clogged. The drain pan at the bottom of the refrigerator may be so full of water that the water has begun to spill out. Clear the drain pan of water. While you have the drain pan removed, clean it with warm, soapy water. Refrigerator is too loud. Your refrigerator has leveling legs that likely were set in place years ago. As your home ages and your kitchen floors sag, the refrigerator needs to occasionally be leveled again. Use a wrench to turn the legs. It is recommended that doors be able to shut on their own when opened halfway 45 degrees. So, adjust the legs with the door halfway open and keep adjusting until the door swings shut. Special dense foam mats can be purchased online which go under the refrigerator, reducing vibration that passes through the legs onto the floor. This fix is especially valuable if people living below you complain about refrigerator noise. Refrigerator or freezer are not cold enough. Refrigerator door seals need to form a perfect seal to keep in all of the cold. First, try cleaning the seals with warm water, then applying a thin layer of petroleum jelly. If this does not work, replace the seals. Tall items may have been placed in the refrigerator or freezer, blocking the flow of cold air. Move all tall items away from the back. Dirty condenser coils will reduce your unit's cooling abilities. For homes that have pets or a significant amount of traffic, it is recommended that you clean the coils every 2 to 3 months. Move the refrigerator away from the wall and unplug it. Remove the grill at the bottom, typically by pulling straight back. It should unsnap. Use a household or shop vacuum with a long attachment thin enough to reach underneath. Carefully vacuum around the coils, watching your progress with a flashlight. Refrigerator is too cold or freezes over. Cold air may be continually rushing into the compartment, unchecked by a damper stuck in an open position. The damper is located between the cooling and freezing compartments and is controlled by the thermostat.